sanitation problem.
Okay.
But I want to say something. I can see their supporters mentioning V8, 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 V8. If that is the case, it's also fair to say that maybe Lydia is the one that killed her husband to become MP. Because that's it. Because if they want to go that tangent, I can also go that same tangent.
Please, let's not go that tangent.
No. If they want to go that tangent, I'll go the same tangent. Because this time around, it's boot for boot. Because you cannot decide to be a bloody widow to be member of parliament. Yes. If you smile, I smile back. If you slap, I slap you back. If you aim at me, I'll aim at you back. It's as simple as that.
You are saying this election is going to be an eye for an eye?
Yes. It's as simple as that.
Why?
Why?
Abusians we share me amencho mugo fisa ha a breaking news, spiritual program, political shows, and a trending story and I'm the babe somo na ene die ne me de ba no eye pantuma. Ni nyina ene se ye bra penny Dumelo a o gina mu de den se ayawaso west wagonfo ento aba ema no me MP no abusia wakwa akoto bomb na bomb ni mu nchire mu and I'm the bre ha ye too much mencho mu nko se ne bi kan subscribe my page no na me adoma no se na be ya upload bi e bia no onsa ebetimi akabi ama won stories ni nyina ohu se ne eko ene ne eba na abusuan se ne nyina yinim se afi no aye political season na ekame se ne politics no ye hyase no na yinim se ye hyase slow se na edu fifi e de betumri kapa ne nyina ne se emu ya ye hyepa e de ama ebinum a omotwe e de form bu ebi so ani aha ye pa ne nyina ne se ayawaso west wogon constituency no ye bra penny John Dumelo ejina mu dendenden one ye maame serum Alhasan so ejina mu a ono na ye incumbent MP e wo na TV3 adijuma de bi ahye so a omo friend say community manifesto eno no omo ko patamu ekohia amanfo na e wo ho no ene wo mo atwetwe nkomo ene omo MP a wo ho ene ne oba so mo to so abama no atwetwe nkomo ebisa ne MP no atimi aye ne oba no so ne oba obaye ode to community no anim ama omo tie na se to maso ma omaso abano e de amom na Roland ene dasa dwumedi na no nenu bi ene omudi kokopie mu ewo ayawaso west wogon na ekoba asom kobo odwane nyina ewo ayawaso west wogon ha omode enkomo no ehhehye so ye maame serum Alhasan kasa entimi ankwan kopie mu ewo hyemudie na se enu ti otu na namusini ene 2 executive MPs a anase 2 executive members a omoka na namusini no ho ema omukọ gina na name ena ye bra pani so John Dumelo se ne ono na opre wo NDC din mu no ono akasa so ene ne 2 executive members so e ka ho ekoi ba so mo dwumedi no ehhehye so ema ye maame serum Alhasan na namusini no eda na ni so adi mu no ene ne waye ene ne so moto aba no ma na obesan atoa so aye editudwa eno nkwada no okasa wie no ena afi eduru ye bra pani John Dumelo so se ono so odina no disem ebetudwa na abusua abra na John Dumelo kasa ena MPP afom ho no ene pa away pa away kwaso na enumu ena ye bra entimi anso na komum ema okoto bom
sanitation problem.
Okay.
But I want to say something. I can see their supporters mentioning V8, 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 V8. If that is the case, it's also fair to say that maybe Lydia is the one that killed her husband to become MP. Because that's it. Because if they want to go that tangent, I can also go that same tangent.
Please, let's not go that tangent.
No. If they want to go that tangent, I'll go the same tangent. Because this time around, it's boot for boot. Because you cannot decide to be a bloody widow to be member of parliament. Yes. If you smile, I smile back. If you slap, I slap you back. If you aim at me, I'll aim at you back. It's as simple as that.
You are saying this election is going to be an eye for an eye?
Yes. It's as simple as that.
Why?
Why? First and foremost, I think I'm quite disappointed that Lydia didn't show up. As usual, she's running away like she always does from community engagements.
What?
Lydia always runs away from community engagements. Lydia always runs away from community engagements. That is the first one. And so,
please continue to talk.
I mean, and so, and
Mr. Dumelo, please continue. We can hear you directly, live on air.
When he was talking, none of my people were making noise. And so if that is what is going to continue, respectfully, I don't want to continue sitting down. Because one, Lydia is not here. Two, I'm talking and then they are talking. And so I don't think they are being
I
fair.
understand you.
Yes, so I mean...
Please, I crave your indulgence. All of us, let's have a decent conversation. Please, both sides. Mr. Dumelo, you can continue.
Now, I was listening to what he was saying, and I must say, I mean, they are all lies. Telling me that they've fixed funds in all the hostels on Legon campus. It is a lie. Number two, the hospital that is being built in Mimpasem was started under Atamil's time. It is a lie. Number three,
the hospital was started under the regime of Atamils.
Yes. Number three.
Please continue, Mr. Dumelo. Please continue, Mr. Dumelo.
Number three, he mentioned scholarships for students. But if he doesn't know the scholarships for students, I started scholarships for students in 2012. They can go and Google it. Even before she became MP, they can go and Google it.
You claim you started back in 2012.
University of Ghana scholarships I started in 2012. So they can go and Google it. Even before Lydia became member of parliament. And so all that he's saying are lies. And I really wish Lydia was here. But as usual, she's going to run away from all the efforts.
First of all, what I want the people to know, what I want the Iowa people to know is that the NDC candidate is an AI-generated candidate.
You said the NDC candidate is
an
what?
AI-generated candidate.
AI-generated candidate.
He does his things on a very subtle way. He's not a serious person. Look, let me tell you. He said that he doesn't believe in intellectuals. First of all, this constituency, as you said, by a statistic, that 95% of the constituents are educated. And he is saying that he doesn't believe in intellectuals. Secondly, let me tell you, as a responsible minister of sanitation and water, what she did was that it's not to provide a temporary solution. What she did is that she dug a borehole with 10,000 liter mechanized borehole with polytank at Mimpasem community. She dug a borehole at Shashi. She dug a borehole. She dug a borehole at Tibet, that's applied science, with 20,000 liter capacity water polytank. She dug a borehole at the prisons community, Roman Rich prisons, Basta area. She dug a mechanized borehole with 10,000 liter polytank. So therefore, her responsibility as a minister, she even did most of this thing before she became a minister. We are not saying we will solve the problem of this constituency, but what we are saying is that between Lydia and their candidate, Lydia stands tall. She stands ahead of him in terms of her policy, her programs, her influence, and her resourcefulness. Lydia stands tall above him. So therefore, she's the best person to lead this community.
Lydia Alhasan is the best
person to lead this
person to represent Iowa West.
The capacity of the people in this constituency, looking at the educational level of the people in this constituency, we need somebody who understands, who will uplift the lifestyle and the development of the community to a higher level. We are not mediocre people. Lydia has identified that most of the community people are vulnerable. You see all the nice houses. We still have squatters around who needs help. They don't need
help. So there are squatters in the community.
There are squatters in the community.
Which areas are they in the electoral area?
You go to rural development, which is North Legon. Part of Shiashi, we have squatters. And part of Okongro, we have squatters. Part of Doulu, we have squatters over there, which is 138. We have squatters over there. So she has identified that these squatters need help. She has provided them with financial support to aid them with their business, to make sure they establish themselves and move out of.
In many of these squatter communities.
Yes, she has provided them with financial support, not less than 1,000 cities each, for people living in the slum area.
She gives direct money.
Yes, she gives
as
them
loans
money.
or grants.
Free money.
They are grants.
Yes, they are grants to support them, to aid them with their business, to be able to uplift their life
from their poverty status.
Yes.
Okay.
And she has provided them.
You have a minute.
Yes, she has provided them with a temporary solution. That is what he's saying. I am happy he has acknowledged that the Honorable Lydia has helped the constituents with goods, with foodstuffs, which is very good for all of us. We all understand that things are not rosy as we want it to be, but we have the chance to develop this constituency more than the NDC candidate, which I say is an AI generated candidate. Whatever he does, all the projects we have done on evidence base, there are on the banner here that we brought. All the ceiling fan we have mounted in every hostel is on the banner here. So evidence. So when your camera shoots to that banner,
please wrap up for me.
You see most of the project that I'm telling you. So therefore, he's not also a truthful person by saying that. Because if he has his first right, there's no way he will know that Lydia has provided those facilities to the schools.
Students who has an airbrap penny frats now a shitty papa. There's an animal for ye pa. As some more kind 1 to 7. Ewa a semi ebeto jano and a Ghana for a mumma, a mwakura phone na a bofu break as a some more kind in the possibly say 1 canny years a day. Now, mammy penny moon say, and you couldn't free me free money couldn't free moon, and yet we are young me if we done not all barber can say politics in tea. Ubejina kasama mi Manchester ono krapono ene na ndiku na ofimu esa asa wo pa kunyanti eno okunu kunuma obenya akonya na edi no kwasam no se ebra pani asema o kan wanka yi na eno ene bi mu chese asem a Dumelo akan ebetimi akwati ade yie pa akonya na opren kwa wa hwe ya nsa entimi enka na we so ebe ha no pa e wo the political career no ehwa ba be pa che wo de na so sene ese yese udi nkodura ekono se wuti a enkoduru nti asem o kai bebi asem na trend ya koduru se chewpe sa na ebekwa eno ye hwe eye asem se be sen na wo sensemi oji no esi fama ye hu e wo comment o aha eye tuma je subscribe ma page na mi adoma se na be ya upload bi em bia o sa ebetimi aka makra.